what is influence and how influence is being utilized in this online business world to attain or acquire more clients. And it has been there for years. So, first of all, understand what do you mean by influence. So, I define influence as the effect and the impact of your overall aura. Now, you'll ask, what do you mean by aura? So, aura is the perception which people make in their minds about you by seeing you, doing you something, and the overall activities which goes around you. People have different perceptions about you doing different activities and they create an image. That image which is built here in the minds of the people is called aura. And that effect and the impact of that aura is influence. Right? I hope you are clear on this. Now, how this is utilized in this online coaching world, online coaching business. Since this online coaching business, primarily I would refer the services. I'm not talking about any product business. I'm talking about coaching and freelancing business where you don't have any hard product. You only have services which comes in the soft format. Correct? People can only experience when they use your services. But now, as a part of the marketing, you need to tell people what you are doing, what you can bring to them by your services. Here, this influence acts as a trigger, or you can say as a catalyst for people understanding who you are, how you can help them. And this has been widely used since years, since ages, to dominate the sales part. Correct? So, without telling that you are getting influence, people are talking about everything. Let's say people talk about their personal stories, people talk about their vulnerable part of their lives, people talk about their challenges, people talk about their achievements, people talk about their client success, their testimonials, and there are a number of things which are being done on this social media platform. Understand why these things are being done. These things are being done only to influence your decision. So this influence is primarily to make you understand that the person who is creating all this is worthy, trustworthy in terms of their expertise, their truthfulness, their honesty, their transparency, and everything, so that you are more inclined to take a decision in their behalf. So you perceive that person as an expert, as a true person, as a person whom you can believe, and as a person who can help you grow further. So all these things put together comes under the influence, and there are different techniques which again there are books written on it. I cannot just talk in simple words here, but I'm just only telling you that influence is such a powerful tool, and everybody is using. Maybe you know it or not, but whatever you're doing on the social media is just to influence others. You accept it or not. Why are you doing this? Why are you creating a content? Why are you creating a video? Why I'm doing this? The overall purpose is to influence others, and I don't have any hitch to share this fact that everything which is being done is to influence the other's decision. So if you are not aware that whatever you're doing is going to be as a part of influence, going to influence others in a way that they trust you, they believe in you, and they take your services, then you need to be little aware about the different influence techniques so that you can do it better. That is what is called influence, and that is a crucial part of the marketing which helps you create brand recall value. Influence is what? Brand recall value. Influence is what? Lead generation. When you influence somebody, people start liking you, people start respecting you, they come to you to take help from you. That is called influence. So overall, influence is a crucial factor, a crucial marketing element in the entire business, whether it is B2B, whether it is B2C, doesn't matter. But here, since I'm talking about online coaching and freelancing business, this is even more important here, so that people get a feel of you before getting into your paid program or paid services, because that is where they take a decision. So the influence helps them to take a decision in your favor. That's it. So from now onwards, again, understand the core concept of influence and try to see how best you can do. That's it. Thank you so much.